Hello, dear friends. How are you? This is Tariqul Islam Kham again with another episode of parenting series. You know that this is a series about parenting that I am conducting to deliver some thoughts and findings about parenting at this time. We know that parenting is a science that have been changed day by day due to the change of technology, sociology, psychology, and that's why our life is also being changed, and that's why we should treat our babies in some different way than the previous times. So as it is a changing science, then I want to discuss about the recent findings and science about parenting on this series. Here I am discussing consequently different stages of parenting. Today I will discuss about a very simple matter. Though it is treated as a very simple matter, but it is actually not a simple. Its impact is conducted all over the life of a human being. That is the name of a baby. When a baby born, we have to give him a suitable name. That is called name ceremony, name program. In Islam it is called akika program, and many other rituals in different religions related with giving the suitable and nice name to the baby. Why it is important, at first I will discuss it now. We know that a person is titled by a name by which we call them, we recognize them, we identify them, and we everywhere use his name on paper book. So it is very important. Sometimes we, the parents, don't think about the consequence of giving a nice name, and that's why they make some mistakes that can have an impact on their daily life. I am giving you a real life example from my life. One of my friends, when I was at high school, one of my friends one day called by a teacher on the classroom, and teacher asked him, "What is your father's name?" He was nervous. He cannot speak, tell his father's name, and he was like that, because the name of his father was a synonym of private parts of male person. So he became very much tensed and feeling shy to mention this name. So when you put a suitable name, you have to consider these things, that either it is suitable for him or not, and how his friends, his parents, his friends, his neighbors, his other persons, his colleagues will treat him with that name. Sometimes we give very silly name like Lulu, Lala, Juju, etc. for their nickname, but it creates some fun to his friends, and they try to make fun with their name, and he become frustrated, sometimes become introvert, because all of time his name is uttered by his friends in some different ways. So it is very important thing. Another important thing is the meaning of the name should be smart. There are some culture in every geographical territory about name. Like in my country, Bangladesh, there are some types of names are available. In America, other types of names are available. When a name which is available in America, that if you give to your baby who born in Bangladesh, it will look some odd. So you have to consider your geographical area and culture, and the meaning of the name. Sometimes the meaning of the name has some impact on the baby's mind, because when he maximum time the words he listen is his name. So this has an impact on your mind by subconscious mind. So he should be given a very suitable name. Another important thing is sometimes the parents give a very complex or very longer name. It should not be done, because when you give him a longer name, it may create some problems, because you know that the name have to be written in many areas, many times. So when the name will be so longer or so complex, it may create some problem. Another important thing is the pronunciation, and the words letters used on name should be very simple, as it cannot be mistaken by the others. Suppose I am Tariqul Islam, my name is Tariqul, but in Bengali it's I pronunciate it Tariqul Islam. Actually, if I want to write it perfectly, it would be Twariqul. But if I write my name in English, the TWA, many times many writers will make mistake about my name, that they will miss the letter W, and it will create many official problem in many times. Like when I go to make a passport or any form fill up, then they make a mistake and dissimilarities with my national ID card, national passport and the form. So you should use the common words, common styles of writing the name. And if you do this, I think you can overcome the problems. And it is better that to have some sign of your name on your baby's name, so that anybody can identify that yes, this baby is born by you. Like I become a father a few days ago, you know that, and my daughter name I put that Tashri Binte Tariq. That means Tashri, the daughter of Tariq. Whenever anybody hear the name, he will identify that this is the daughter of Tariqul Islam. So it has some impact when he want to authenticate his name in anywhere. Then it will be easy that by his name anybody can recognize that he is her name is authentic. Okay, so thank you very much. I will come again with another day, another video. Be happy, be healthy. Bye.